Working with construction sets in the designer. You can create your own set of assemblies and it can be reused within various databases and projects. Let us take an example of one motor control circuit which is frequently used within various databases. If you want to reuse this assembly over and over in various projects, you can create its construction set and save it in your library. For creating a construction set, go to Cadison menu, create new symbols and open symbol editor. Select the graphics of which construction set is to be created. The next step is to select the standard whichever is relevant. Give the insertion point with the help of this insertion point. It becomes easy for the placement of construction set in various drawings and databases. One can edit the name of the feeder, select the assembly, and you are done now. In the library, you can see under the construction set and assemblies, the feeder or the set of assemblies that you have created is saved permanently. You can make the use of this assembly not just in this database but in various databases at any point of given time. This is how you can make the use of construction set for placement in various databases. If you want to place the construction set again, select the yes button. If no, select the no button. Let us see how to make use of this construction set in different databases. Now let us change the project and place it in new project. You can invoke the created construction set from the object manager and drag it. With the help of the insertion point, place it into the drawing area. It makes it very easy for accurate creation of various drawings. Various complex assemblies can hence be created in this particular way. For example, you can see the motor control circuit is created just with the help of construction set. Even though you can place the construction set, every object that is part of the construction set, all the assembly is going to be intelligent. You can see that all the potential wires, the mini circuit breaker, everything is having its own intelligent properties attached to it. If you want to change the property of an object, you can go to that particular object. Now you can simply go to the editing options where you can change the required ratings, which can then be reflected directly into the drawing. And hence, this feature of construction set makes the creation of drawings very quick and easy.